Actually, I'll catch it.
Okay. Propeller's killed. Smoothing by.
Do you wanna try?
Sure.
I guess. Do you have the flap and crow thing on your?
I think so.
I think I might want to just watch and
Sure.
record.
Yeah, that's
for this next one, just
that'll work.
because. And the red's full on. So should I unplug now?
Yes.
Okay.
And I call it glide mode because it sounds cooler, but this switch only, let's see if you can see it, it just gives me full elevator back. That's it.
Did you do your crow and flap? If you want to just...
Oh, that is this one. It's just
okay.
My flap switch. Okay, that I think is all good. I'm not gonna
I can launch.
spool it. Yeah. Okay. Everything is still recording.
Yeah, and this wing is... I mean, obviously the underside is very flat and the top has a little curve to it, but it's a relatively
Recording goggles.
flat, symmetrical wing almost. So that makes the inverted flight more manageable.
Let's see.
Wait,
does the deflection, does it change at all?
That's, yeah, that one did. That's high, that's low.
Okay, cool.
Oh, wow. That almost flew out of my hands. I wasn't holding that hard.
That's what I was saying. Just like when you take off, just goose it.
Man, that's a lot faster than I was going, I think, the whole time.
I think when you landed hard, one of the propellers like got like a rock or something in it.
Oh.
Because it's not folding in, but it's not going to kill.
Oh, I did notice that. Here, you want to just come in?
Sure.
Actually, I'll catch it.
Okay. Propeller's killed. Nice.
There we go.
Is there anything in there? Or like, can you move it manually?
I
I wonder if it's just maybe
opened and closed it. It could be, do you have a screwdriver?
I do.
It could be just if we turn the screwdriver out. I think it's just a little bit more.
We're gonna get a repair on the fly here.
Yeah,
Just a
I'm gonna
small,
just
like,
turn the
flathead.
screw out like a quarter turn just to see if that
Is it a flathead or a Phillips?
Phillips. Small.
Small enough?
Should be good. I think I'm gonna turn it out a little bit and then turn it back in a little bit.
When I fly, I just lose one completely. Like this might be the first. No, I've for sure used this case before, but like,
good.
we should also, if we go over a full flight or like full what we bring with Work Pro little toolkit. It's got all the little stuff we need.
Yeah,
Goggles are still recording.
I've got some Work Pro little pliers and
they're super nice.
screwdrivers and stuff. Oh, look, there's a big Delta airliner.
Yeah. We obviously can't go that high if for anyone who is going to question
No.
how we're flying. Oh yeah, that looks better.
Yeah, I think that'll work. I think it was just that plastic was a little bit pinched. So
Makes sense. Okay, I'll get back.
all good. Perfect.
And let's see, I'll turn around and then fly towards us and see if the stopping. Oh yeah, it folds right back in.
Okay, so yeah, I guess if that's ever a problem, you know, look at that plastic hinge and it might be bent in a little bit. I did notice that, but I totally forgot that they fold in.
Yeah, I was just like, huh, it totally wrecks the ambiance. But yeah, that was, look at that, a fix on the go. You
Yeah.
get just about everything at this channel.
All right, I'm gonna try and grab
Grab a little. Got safe off. I've got. Oh, do I have? Oh no, that's no flaps, no nothing. Whee!
I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, sorry, I'm probably making you look right towards the sun.
No, it's fine. I've got my sunglasses on too, so my screen is harder to see. But then my eyes don't get blinded by the sun.
It's all pros and cons.
I don't know. I really like the Turbo Timber Evo, UMX Turbo Timber Evo, but The Conscendo's got something about it.
It's so smooth. And I've said this 1,000 times with this plane, but it's easy to fly, and it's just like, I don't know, it's, when you said you were launching it, it almost flew out of your hands.
Yeah.
Because I just goosed it, and it's got so much extra power that you can just take it aerobatic if you want, but then if you want to just glide it around and
that's what I was doing. It was a lot of just really peaceful gliding where I wasn't even doing anything. But then when I wanted to, I flipped it inverted and was doing laps. I want to see you do that.
The inverted with crow.
I can't look up like that.
All right, so
to the right of you and up, I
inverted.
can't go. Oh, there you go.
I don't know why I was trying to go no throttle.
Yeah, that's not going to work very well.
No.
I've got a mark on my screen, I think. I think it's just a little dirty, but that's shouldn't be.
I went right back, or upright, so I could turn around, but I should have tried to do it inverted. It's for sure messing with my head.
Oof.
I'll get out of crow when I'm right side up.
Yeah.
But I find myself moving my body more when I'm trying to turn.
Yeah, my
inverted.
whole head moved when I almost bit the ground when I was doing that barrel roll.
Well, it's like I know what I want to do. It's just like I've got to think about the sticks differently. My whole head is just like.
You're high. Was I as high as you are?
No, we were pretty low.
Whatever you're comfortable with. And you've got the crow set up.
I keep seeing these trees.
Oh God.
I saw the gap I was trying to hit the whole time, but yeah, that was.
I know. I was trying to just track down the
runway.
But I couldn't.
So imagine with more flights, you might see a little more skilled flying. Instead of me just like, oh, look at
There's
this.
a lot of wind, and the wind is it's a cross breeze from the our little runway here. So
just hearing that whistle by. I thought I could put one of these mics on a plane just to hear it. Like, why would I want to hear just air going by?
it's so quiet.
Yeah.
Even full throttle, it's not even that loud.
No. It gets a little louder on 4-cell, but it's still so quiet. I've had a lady come up to me who's walking her dog, and she's like, so why doesn't it make any noise? As I was flying it, I'm like, no, it makes noise. It's just, it doesn't all the time. Or like, throttle off, all you're going to hear is the servos.
Yeah.
So why is it no motor on there? I'm like, no, it is. It's just off. The one mistake or crash I've had with this plane was that I was trying to glide it into the ground.
Yeah.
And then I just didn't give it throttle until it was too late. And then when I gave it throttle, it was on the ground, and that's how I blew a propeller. I was trying to do just this and just float it as close as I could, and it's just ground, throttle, throttle.
Oh yeah, you
motor.
throttled up when it was on the ground, basically.
That was not my brightest moment. And let me just do it again and again.
I've got 3x zoom locked on the plane.
That's what I was trying to do with when you were flying too, just because it's smooth enough. Let me just get you a little profile here. I forgot that there is good rudder, but it's still, you can't really knife edge. Let me give you some.
Oh. Wow.
Like,
See,
hey.
my transmitter didn't beep at all when I was flying, but I also was really, it was a calm flight for me.
It shows the duality of this plane. You can be aerobatic, you can be super calm. Low and slow.
Do some just gliding.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around then, since I can feel the wind. I'll even throw on. Oh, I wonder. No, I didn't have glide mode on because I just flicked it. Yeah, now we're gliding. My right thumb is off the sticks, but I got full back elevator still. I was like, I wonder if I had that on the whole time, but right as I flicked it on, then it leveled itself. I also have safe off. I wonder if safe on would.
I haven't flown with safe the entire time.
Yeah. Actually, I'll get more height. I keep going like middle height and then gliding. I'll just go high.
All right, I just stopped recording with my phone.
The age-old question we've gone over is, if it was windy enough, could I sit here forever, barring the battery and the servos? We got all sorts of opinions.
Yeah, I don't know enough.
I do not have that education required to really convince me.
It does seem when there's a good gust of wind here, you go really slow and you still drop.
Yeah.
But it's not as much. But I think we've been told in the comments enough.
We've been told that we're stupid for thinking what we think. But I'm not changing. I ain't doing it. Let's see, we'll take glide mode off.
Yeah, the only thing that would make this plane better is if it had a landing gear or a landing
like a single
something.
wheel.
Yeah,
would be super cool.
Which I know it wouldn't glide as well. It would be heavier, which is like the whole point of this plane. But, jeez.
Pointer right at the sun.
Whisper of death. Oh, that was cool. See, what I might do is I might get the full scale Conscendo.
Oh, that'd be super cool.
Because
if it glides this nice,
yeah.
It'll glide nicer because it's bigger.
Yeah, it's probably wing area to weight ratio is probably a lot better. Than this.
And what I'm assuming is, if you had a digital camera, it would totally handle that, or like a head tracker style.
Yeah, a lot
thing.
better. Yeah.
Because if you're just putzing around, you can just look everywhere.
I might even be able to put an analog on the rudder and get that sort of view.
That'd be super cool.
I know I don't know if we've. I think maybe on the Mustang.
Oh yeah.
I had a camera back there for a little bit, but that's always just a cool shot.
Yeah, that's
seeing the whole plane.
A project that's been on the back burner for probably a year now, and that's only because on the Corsair I wanted to add that exact a rudder view, but one that you can switch to. Because with analog cameras, all they need is 3 power ground and a signal, and you pass that to a VTX. But if you have a switcher board in the middle, you can tell the switcher board which camera to take the signal from. So
it's not like your goggles would have to switch.
No,
signals.
It would be
it's one signol, but 2 cameras that power the signal.
Yeah, and you'd flip a switch on your transmitter, and all of a sudden you're looking from the tail versus the FP or the head tracking.
And landing, if you had underbelly.
Yep, I have a camera switcher that has, I think, 3 channels or 3 ports, and so like
cockpit, tail, underbelly, looking.
I want to put AS3X Plus on the Corsair, and if you've been around the channel, you know I've said this a bunch of times. I want to put AS3X Plus on the Corsair, then I want to put that tail camera on, and it's all so cool. I should probably land just because I've been flying for a while, but
yeah.
Let's see. I hear people, but
no, they're
a ways away.
They're like beyond the little swamp or whatever's back there. It sounds just traveling all the way.
But yeah, there's just so many little projects that you can do with analog because it's so cheap and light.
Yeah. That is the nice part. Nice.
Bam. And stop. That was just, the whole time was just so peaceful and slow.
Yeah, and even, check the wind, the wind speed.
Oh yeah, I've got that.
Might as well throw that up if you still have that app.
I have the app, but they switch it to a very pay-to-win style. Okay, right now, according to my watch, 8 miles an hour wind, gust of 14, and when you're flying that, you don't even feel it. Like, it's so easy and smooth.
Really quick before we wrap up, we want to say thank you to everyone who hyped our last video, as it really helped it grow and helps it promote it in the algorithm. And so if you want to do it again, it's really easy. You just have to be on mobile, and you have to like the video and then hit the hype button, and that's it. So that helps our video grow, and we just want to say thank you once again. So make sure to stick around for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.